We are very much desperate for the Lord, if I can say.
In times or in days like this, do you think is the sign that God is coming, or the God is living amongst us?
Definitely is amongst us. If I can face realities amongst us,
Yeah.
khumbula into yobana ngaba ezweni lakho utshile into yobana ngaba ngoku akusazuba khona ii-floods,
Yeah.
akusazuba khona amanzi. There won't be umkhumbi kaNoah.
Yeah.
Now ithi ke ngoku ekupheleni kwexesha kuzawujikelana izizwe.
Yeah.
Oomama bazawujikela abantwana, abantwana bajikela abazali. We are on that time now.
Yeah, we are on the 11th hour.
We are on the 11th hour, literally.
So kufanele ukuthi ke wena uzibone uzilungisele, just reposition yourself. That's what we need. It's not something that maybe something that we have to joke about around it. Sike sabona ke esikhathini ke mhlambe ke when we read the Bible, ekuhambeni kaJesu, sabona ke ukuthi ke they were actually making a mockery of him.
Yes.
They made the shame out of him. What if ever maybe we are mocking ourselves and this is the last hour?
Ukhumbule into yobana ngaba uthi yena ezweni lakhe ndim indlela, ndim ubomi, ndim inyaniso. So he's the Alpha and Omega. Now, when we are mocking him, we are literally mocking our first and the end, if I can say.
If ever we are mocking one of us, we are as well mocking him.
Exactly. Exactly. Because uthi ezweni lakhe ndidale umntu ngokomfuziselo wam.
Yeah.
Meaning when I'm looking at you, ndibona uThixo. I'm seeing God.
Uma evakasha ngoba ke uNkulunkulu ulo hamba hamba. When you read, I'm not sure with I think in Kings, First Kings 1, I think, uthi uma evula iso lakhe liphazuma a second liyabe selikhavule onke umhlaba.
Yes. Uyatsho mos naku Isaiah 59. Indlebe zami aziguduba zinganganifa.
So into kufanele ukuthi thina siyenze kufanele ukuthi ke sivule amehlo omoya, singavuli amehlo enyama.
You know, during times like this, ndiyendithanda uba abantu ndibakhuthaza ngala vesi useGetsemane. When he is in Gethsemane uthatha oonyana ababini abakaZebhedi. Now uthi kubafundi bakhe, nina hlalani kule ndawo nithandaza, so that ningazungena ekulingweni. Meaning nathi njengokuba silapha funeka sihlale sithandaza.
Yeah.
Singazungena ekulingweni.
Yeah. So if ever ke mhlambe ke ungumntana kaNkulunkulu and uzibiza ukuthi umntana kaNkulunkulu, ungahambisani nento ke ungahambisani nemimoya yasemhlabeni, ngoba konke kuzodlula.
Konke kuyadlula.
Kodwa ke izwi lakhe ayisoke lidlule.
Lelona linamandla.
Angithi
adlula izwi lakhe.
Right ke ngibe sithi ke ngithathe ke ingoma ke Steve Crown sithi ke You Are Yahweh. Right ke 741 the Breaking Force Behind a New Generation. Jesus.